Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device theme because app behavior often follows system settings. Open the Contacts app now and tap the three-dot menu or settings gear. This is where app-specific appearance toggles live. If you don't see an appearance option, make sure the system theme is set to light. Some apps inherit that. Once done, note your OS version in case options differ. You're initiating control over the app's look rather than relying on global dark mode behavior. Next, dive into the app's appearance or theme section. You'll choose light or turn off dark mode. This forces the Contacts UI to use light backgrounds and dark text. If there's an advanced display option, disable any follow system theme or auto toggle so the app won't switch back. Save or apply if prompted, then close and reopen Contacts to confirm changes. This step ensures the app uses its own setting, preventing it from mirroring the system-wide dark theme unexpectedly. To finish, confirm the light theme throughout the app. Check contact lists, individual entries, and widgets. If dark mode persists, clear the app cache or force stop and reopen. Cached UI data can hold old styles. Make sure the Contacts app and your OS are updated because buggy releases sometimes ignore theme switches. If nothing works, temporarily set the system theme to light or reset app settings. If problems continue, contact app support. There may be a device-specific bug requiring a patch or guided fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.